how to set a video as your wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now it's setting. Scroll down and click on Wallpaper and Style. After click on Wallpaper and Style, click on Lock Screen and click on Wallpaper. After click on Wallpaper, click on Video. After click on videos, select video. After select video, click on done. You will see and click on done. You will see video is set your wallpaper. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set a video as your wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.